Hi there, to use multitask with split view on your iPad 10th generation, firstly let's make a split screen. For that we'll need to select two apps. The first app I want to choose Safari, and now we'll need to trigger our docs by simply swiping up slowly and carefully to trigger docs. Because if you swipe up aggressively, then you'll simply go to your home screen. So let's swipe again to trigger docs. And now we can select another app from here and make a split screen. For example, let's choose messages. For that I'm gonna hold it and drag it to the left side, or we can drag it to the right side like that. And you'll see that we are making split screen. So we just need to drop it like that. And now we just enter the split screen view. So we can use those two apps at the same time. So we can watch videos in Safari and chat with friends at the same time, right? And also you can check those three dots on the top of the first tab. And here we can make it on a full screen, so we can close this second one, messages. We can slide it over. We can use split screen and close this window. Let's close it, and now we got only messages. And also we can make an overlay. For that let's trigger docs as well. Now let's choose note, for example, and now we'll need to simply drop it onto our first tab like that. And now notes will be like this floating window, which we can drag anywhere across the screen. Let's try this out one more time with another app. Let it be Safari as well. So yep, now this is a floating window like an overlay. You can also tap on the three dots, select split view, or make it a full screen, or slide over like that, so it would be an overlay. And you can check this line on the bottom, so you can just swipe up like that and you'll close this window, but you can still swipe left from this side to trigger this window back. And if you swipe up and simply hold it like that, you can also close this window, or you can tap on the three dots and select to close it like that. Now let me show you another way how to enter a split screen. For that let's close this app, and now let's just swipe up and hold the finger at the middle to trigger our recents. So here we need to choose two apps as well. Let it be YouTube and files. So we can hold files and drag it onto the YouTube, so you can see that the split screen is made, just like that. And now you can tap it and you'll immediately enter the split screen. So you can also see this line in the middle of the display, and you can simply swipe left to make YouTube smaller, or swipe right to make it bigger. And if you swipe till the very bottom of the page till the very end, you will close another app and work just with one. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.